about our citizen development enhancements.
All right. Thank you, Rihanna. A very good morning to all the participants. I'm Nishikant, Principal Product Manager at Automation Anywhere. Glad to be here to present the exciting features that will enhance the citizen developer experience immensely. Automation Anywhere's platform enables customers to scale their automation landscape with citizen developers as it provides integrated governance and pipeline management built right into the product, along with the guided experience to provide ease of use. Let's look at a host of enhancements that help our customers in this journey. In version 27, our newly enhanced bot building experience is equipped with an intuitive and modern user interface that enables citizen developers to build their automation swiftly and easily. Refresh and intuitive package icons provide real-time guidance and allow for the quick and easy selection of actions while building. In addition, there is help at hand for the developers through contextual help, which in turn leads to unhindered development of automations and increases the overall adoption. In scenarios where Automation 360 Recorder is leveraged by the citizen developers for UI-based automations, they will now be enabled with step-by-step guidance from a newly introduced ASense interface to define the custom UI elements. This will especially help when the native ASense ML models are not able to detect some of the UI elements. Without further ado, let's jump into the demo to get first-hand experience of these enhancements. Okay. In this demo, we'll look at how Sue, a business technologist at Acme Corp, turns the role of a citizen developer and goes about building an automation using Automation Anywhere's web-based bot editor and finds it to be more intuitive. She logs into the control room to create a new bot and starts with the bot editor. In the action pane, she notices a new icon for email actions and adds one of them onto the canvas. In addition, she finds new icons for some of the popular actions such as folders, Excel, and Google Drive as per the brand identity and universally understood depictions. The actions on the canvas are now much more intuitive and easier to understand the bot logic, both in the flow view and the list view. The action is selected prominently when in focus using mouse clicks or navigation keys. In addition, on hovering over the actions, Sue finds a contextual help with snippet of information about the actions. And to learn more about the actions, she can click on the documentation icon and learn in detail. On clicking it, she gets redirected to the Automation Anywhere's documentation portal with relevant information on the corresponding actions. She can do all this without having to manually switch out of the bot editor. Isn't it simple? As you've seen, Automation 360's release 27 significantly improves the citizen developer experience with quick and easy selection of actions, better understanding of bot logic through visual cues, improved interaction, and help at hand with contextual assistance on actions. Release 27 also improves the user experience. ASense is an advanced capability based on AI models using computer vision to identify the UI elements of applications which are not natively recognized by the recorder. In this demo, we'll have Sue start the recorder, select the application that she wants to automate, and select ASense. While the scanning happens, there can be accidental clicks. However, the system will now have a pop-up which lets Sue know that there is a click and if there is any object to be detected. If she thinks there is no object that she had selected, she can click on choose again or define the object. In this case, she clicks choose again. However, if Sue will not able to select the object, the pop-up appears again and this time she can define the object. Upon clicking the define object, she gets redirected to a brand new ASense user interface. As you see here, there is a step-by-step guidance to let her define the target elements. The first step is for her to drag and select the desired element that she wants to select. So in this case, she selects the username field. And upon that selection, the step 2 gets enabled. And in this case, it allows Sue to select the anchor elements visually, unlike the large list of labels that we used to have. And then the step 3 is enabled where Sue selects the type of object. In this case, it's a text box. And in addition, she also has embedded help to understand what each of the object type is. As you see, Sue no longer has to guess how to complete the object definition process. The step-by-step improves her productivity and helps her build automations with ease. With enhanced citizen developer experience in release 27, Sue and CEO is now confident that Acme Corp will be able to scale automation across the organization even further. A big part of scaling with citizen developers is having the right governance in place. In the previous release, we did introduce code analysis for bots and role-based access control for package to strengthen the governance. I now invite my colleagues